let's get back into this Paldea Evolved 3-pack set that I got over at the fan stand. Let's get into this first pack. There's a code card for you guys. We have Booper, Pikachu, Pogon, Palisand, Raichu, Kurogunk, Sapir, Anyway, Retrieve Roll, Sableye Hollow. Let's get into this next one. It's a code card for you again. We have Cafita, Meryl, Wingull, Pineco, Flamigo, Tauros, Skiploom, Tarantula, Sneasel, Gyarados Hollow. Alright. Let's get into this last pack here. Come on. Here's a code card. See what we got. There's Shanks, Nimble, Mastiff, Slackoth, Flamigo, Skiploom, Relor, Giacomo, Reverse, Hydreigon. See you next one. Peace.